Family. English lesson. In this lesson, we will look at how to introduce your family. Hello, my name is Lucy. Let me introduce my family. This is my father. His name is Edward. This is my mother. Her name is Tracy. This is my sister. Her name is Emma. This is my brother. His name is Harry. This is my husband. His name is Steve. This is my son. His name is Andrew. This is my daughter. Her name is Janet. My father is called Edward. My mother is called Tracy. My sister is called Emma. My brother is called Harry. My husband is called Steve. My son is called Andrew. My daughter is called Janet. Questions. Do you have a brother? Yes, I have one brother. He is called Harry. No, I don't have a brother. Yes, I have two brothers. Do you have a sister? Yes, I have one sister. She is called Emma. Yes, I have three sisters. No, I don't have any sisters. Do you have any children? Yes, I have one son. His name is Andrew. I have a daughter too. Her name is Janet. Do you have a son? Yes, I have a son. His name is Andrew. Do you have a daughter? Yes, I have one daughter. Her name is Janet. Let's recap. Family. Father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter. Let's look at more people in the family. Grandfather. Your mother's father or father's father is your grandfather. This is my grandfather. His name is Paul. He is my father's father. Grandmother. Your mother's mother or your father's mother is your grandmother. This is my grandmother. She is my father's mother. Her name is Mary. This is my grandmother. She is my mother's mother. Her name is Pauline. Uncle. Your father's brother or your mother's brother. This is my uncle. He is my father's brother. His name is Roger. This is my uncle. He is my mother's brother. His name is Simon. Aunt. Your mother's sister or your father's sister. This is my aunt. She is my father's sister. Her name is Lydia. This is my aunt. She is my mother's sister. Her name is Dorothy. Niece. Your brother's or sister's daughter. Or your brother-in-law's or sister-in-law's daughter. Nephew. Your brother's or sister's son. Or your brother-in-law's or sister-in-law's son. Do you have any nieces or nephews? I don't have any nieces. I have one nephew. His name is Peter. He is my sister's son. Do you have any nieces or nephews? No. I don't have any nieces or nephews. Yes, I have two nieces. Yes, I have a niece and a nephew. Vocabulary. Grandfather. Grandmother. Uncle. Aunt. Niece. Nephew.